Welcome back to the Executive MBA. In this video, we're diving into Power BI Desktop, the essential tool for building powerful reports and visualizations. If you're exploring how to turn raw data into smart insights, this is where it all begins. Let's break down what Power BI Desktop is, how it works, and why it matters. Let's talk about Power BI Desktop, the tool that brings your data to life. Power BI Desktop is a free application you can install right on your computer. It's where most data analysts and report creators spend their time. With Power BI Desktop, you can connect to all kinds of data sourced from Excel spreadsheets to cloud services and large databases. And you're not just viewing the data, you can transform it, clean it up, and combine multiple sources into a single data model. This is where the magic of data modeling happens. Once your data model is ready, you can start building interactive visuals like charts, graphs, and dashboards that help turn raw data into insights that people can understand. And when your report is polished and ready to share, just publish it to the Power BI service where others in your organization can explore and interact with it from anywhere. So whether you're analyzing customer feedback, tracking sales trends, or mapping business performance, Power BI Desktop is your go-to toolkit for building reports that make data matter. Power BI Desktop is where data transformation and storytelling begins, and here's what it's commonly used for. First, you connect your data. Whether it's an Excel file, a cloud database, or something more complex, Power BI Desktop makes it easy to bring your data into one place. Next, you can transform and clean that data. This step helps you shape it into a useful structure, called a data model. Think of it as organizing your data so it makes sense and is ready for analysis. Once your model is ready, it's time to create visuals, charts, graphs, tables, whatever helps you best communicate what the data is telling you. From there, you build reports, which are collections of those visuals, often spread across one or more pages. And when your report is ready to be shared, you simply publish it to the Power BI service where others in your organization can view and interact with it. When you open Power BI Desktop, you'll notice three main views on the left side of your screen. Each one plays a unique role in your data journey. First, there's the report view. This is where you'll likely spend most of your time. It's where you build your visuals, design your pages, and bring your insights to life. Next is the data view. This is your backstage pass to the data itself. You can inspect your tables, calculated columns, and measure and even make transformations to shape the data for better analysis. Finally, there's the model view. Here, you manage the relationships between your tables, basically telling Power BI how your data connects across different sources. Together, these views give you full control from raw data to polished, interactive reports all in one place. Let's begin where every Power BI project starts, connecting to your data. When you open Power BI Desktop, your first step is to bring in the data you need. And the great news: Power BI can connect to hundreds of data sources, whether it's Excel files, SQL databases, web APIs, or cloud platforms like Azure and SharePoint. To get started, just head to the Home ribbon and select Get Data, then choose More. This opens the Get Data window, which displays all the categories Power BI can tap into, from files and databases to online services and other advanced sources. Once you select a data type like SQL Server, for example, Power BI will prompt you to enter the necessary details, such as a server URL or login credentials. This ensures a secure connection to your data source. After you've connected, Power BI gives you the tools to shape, clean, and transform your data so it's ready for analysis and reporting. In Power BI Desktop, you can clean and transform your data using the Power Query Editor. This tool lets you change data types, remove unnecessary columns, and combine data from different sources. Think of it like sculpting. You start with raw data and shape it until it fits your needs. To get started, go to the Home ribbon, and under the Queries section, click on Transform Data. This will open the Power Query Editor window. As you make changes like renaming tables, changing data types, or deleting columns, Power Query Editor tracks each step. The next time you refresh your data, these changes will automatically apply, ensuring your data always stays in the shape you've defined. Once your data is ready, it's time to create visuals. After building your data model, you can drag fields onto the report canvas to generate visuals. These visuals are graphic representations of the data. There are many different visuals to choose from, like a simple column chart. To create or modify a visual, go to the Visualizations pane and click on the Build Visual icon. If you already have a visual selected, it will change to the type you've chosen. If you don't have a visual selected yet, a new one will be created based on your selection. After you've built your data model, you can start visualizing it by dragging fields onto the report canvas. A visual is essentially a graphical representation of the data in your model, allowing you to quickly interpret and analyze it. Power BI Desktop offers a wide range of visuals to choose from, including charts, tables, maps, and more. For example, the visual shown here is a simple column chart, which is just one of the many ways you can display your data. To create or modify a visual, go to the Visualizations pane on the right-hand side and click on the Build Visual icon. If there's already a visual on the report canvas, selecting a new visual type will automatically update the existing one. If there isn't a visual yet, Power BI will create a new one based on the type you select. This flexibility allows you to easily switch between different visuals to best represent the data you're working with. Creating reports in Power BI Desktop allows you to display your data in a way that's easy to understand and share. More often than not, you'll want to create a collection of visuals that showcase different aspects of the data you've used to build your model. This collection of visuals, all in one Power BI file, is called a report. Just like in Excel, where you can have multiple worksheets in a file, a report in Power BI Desktop can have one or more pages. With Power BI Desktop, you can create complex and visually rich reports by combining data from multiple sources. These reports can be as detailed and customized as you need, and once you're finished, you can share them with others in your organization. In the image provided, you can see the first page of a Power BI report titled Overview, which is displayed on the tab at the bottom of the image. Once your report is ready to share, you can publish it to the Power BI service, making it available to anyone in your organization with a Power BI license. To do this, go to the Home ribbon and click on Publish. Power BI Desktop will connect to the Power BI service using your Power BI account. Then, you'll be asked to choose where in the Power BI service you want to share the report. This could be your personal workspace, a team workspace, or any other location in the Power BI service. That's a wrap on our introduction to Power BI Desktop. We hope this video gave you a clear understanding of how this powerful tool works. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Executive MBA. In the next video, we'll dive into Power BI service and show you how to share, collaborate, and access your reports and dashboards in the cloud. Stay tuned.